Good morning, dear students. Let's start constructions. Students, we are doing exercise 11.2. So, start with question number 7. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. Students, in this question, we have to draw a circle by using a bangle and take a point outside the circle, and after that construct the pair of tangents from this point, okay, that point which have choose outside the circle. So by taking that point we have to make tangents from this point to the circle. So let's start the solution. In this question we need to find the center of circle first. As perpendicular to the chord passes through the center, we have studied this result in class 9th. So, to find the center, we constructed two non-parallel chords and then finding the point of intersection of their perpendicular bisector. So, students, let's start with the same working rule. Steps to draw center of circle. First, draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Draw two non-parallel chords AB and CD. You can draw these two chords anywhere as you wish, but that must be chords. What is chord? Chord is a line segment joining the two points lies on the circle. So, in this way, we have made AB and CD two chords. Okay, and after that, draw perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, students, you know how to make the perpendicular bisector. In the previous sessions, I have explained you how to make perpendicular bisector. You have to just open the compass more than half of this line segment AB. After that, put the pinpoint at point A, mark an arc in upward and in the same way in the downward direction. By opening the same radius of the compass, put the pinpoint at B point and mark an arc in the upward and in the downward direction. These two arcs in the upward and two arcs in the downward direction must intersect. So, by joining the intersecting points that makes lines in bisect the line segment AB. That means this cuts the line AB in two equal parts. So students, in this way we have made the perpendicular bisector on the line AB. In the same way, by the same process, make the perpendicular bisector on the chord CD. So in this way, these two perpendicular bisectors must intersect and must passes through the center. In this way, we have observed, we have find the center position of the center. After that, taking M as the center and MO as the radius, draw a circle. Okay. After that, let it intersect the given circle at points Q and R. Okay, and after that join PQ and PR. So PQ and PR are the required two tangents. So students, this is very easy question. You can see here, first we have draw a circle by making the two chords AB and CD, and after that we have made the perpendicular bisectors. These perpendicular bisectors passes through O, that is the center. Okay, this is the intersecting point, and we have taken a P point outside the circle. Now join this OP. After that we have to make tangents from this P point to the circle. Okay, for that we make the perpendicular bisector on OP line. So by opening the compass more than half, in the same way mark arcs in the upward and downward direction. Okay, by putting the pinpoint of the compass turn by turn, first on O then on P. So in this way, this line bisect PQ, PO in two equal parts. Okay, so here PM is equals to MO. Now by taking the radius PM, make a circle. That circle must intersect the previous circle at Q and R. Now students, join this PQ line and PR line. In this way, we make the required tangents to the circle. So students, hopefully all of you get understand this question. So do practice of this question. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.